to use castor oil to combat hair loss. Take some castor oil in your palm and work it through your hair from the root to the tip, the same way you apply regular oil. Massage well. Castor oil has a thicker density and could be difficult to be washed out. Hence, make sure you do not use too much oil. Leave the oil in for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. You could also leave it on overnight. You will need to shampoo multiple times to get rid of the oil. You may also condition your hair with a commercial conditioner 30 minutes before you take a shower. Once you wash your hair, gently towels dry it. Avoid using any heat styling tools immediately. While your hair may feel moistured, it will take a while before you see significant results. Note: this treatment works best on slightly damp hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.